When we're comparing saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids, the big difference between them structurally is that there are no double bonds in the saturated fatty acids tail, and the unsaturated does have at least one double bond. So that's what we see here in this picture. Now the difference is that the saturated fatty acid is going to be very flexible because of all of those single bonds that are in the tail. And because of the flexibility, that means that these are going to be able to pack together very tightly. And if they can pack together very tightly, that means that these will be solids at room temperature. We tend to find these types of saturated fatty acids in animal-based products. So all of those animal-based fatty acids that we tend to cook with, like butter, lard, bacon grease, okay, all of those are going to be solids at room temperature. On the other side of it, the unsaturated, because of that double bond that they have in the tail, they're going to have a rigid bend in them. That means that they cannot pack together as tightly because they have that really rigid spot. Since they can't pack as tightly, they will be liquids at room temperature. And these are going to be plant-based. So all of those plant-based oils, olive oil, canola oil, peanut oil, almond oil, all of those would contain a lot of unsaturated fatty acids. Okay, so just to review, saturated have only single bonds in their tail. That makes them very flexible so they can pack together tightly. Unsaturated, you have at least one double bond in the tail. That's going to make this bend in the molecule. That bend is going to just cause them to be really rigid. If they're rigid and they're bent, they can't pack together near as tightly in that case, and that's going to mean that they are going to be liquids at room temperature.